Good evening to my students, colleagues, friends, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I would like to remind you, I would like to make you to recollect few statements which are imbibed in neurons of your brain and nervous system. Those statements are, I am born to win. I am born to get success. I am born to be happy. Really, you are born to win. You are born to achieve success. You are born to be happy. So then, why do you worry? Why do you get frustrated? Why do you get disappointed? Don't get frustrated. Don't get disappointed. And life is a battle where you will have to face so many failures and successes. But ultimately, you will get success. You will achieve success because you are born to achieve success. Sometimes you may face failure, doesn't matter. Learn lessons from your failure and not to repeat those mistakes again in order to achieve the wonderful success. Such a great potential energy you have, such a capability you have, then never get disappointed. And remember, you are not inferior to anybody. You are equally competent to get what you want in your life. Then why do you worry? And very important thing you must remember is you can develop your EQ levels. What do you mean by that? Emotional coefficient. Goleman brought this concept to wide publicity and wide use. And of course, this is also very important now. What do you mean by emotional intelligence? Recognizing your own emotions, identifying the emotions of others, changing your behavior accordingly, and adjusting your emotions, knowing about yourself, understanding others' conditions, all this comes under emotional intelligence. So that is emotional coefficient. That means emotions are so many. Happiness is an emotion, sorrowfulness is an emotion, joy is an emotion, pain is an emotion, revenge is an emotion, jealousy is an emotion. So there are some positive emotions and negative emotions, whatever it may be. Understanding about your emotions is known as self-awareness. And balancing your emotions is self-regulation. Knowing the emotions of other persons and if necessary, changing your actions, your behavior accordingly, that is known as empathy. And also, your way of talking to others in the society or community, that is also very important. That is social skills. All this together called as emotional intelligence. This is very important. Once you are very strong with regard to your emotional coefficient or emotional intelligence, you can achieve anything. IQ is different from EQ. How best you can think logically, analytically is determined by your IQ levels. How best you can behave, you can adjust to the situation is your EQ. That is much more important now. So everybody is born with an intelligence, no doubt about it. So your intelligence is acquired through the genes of your parents. But whereas EQ, emotional coefficient, is acquired trait, is a learnt one. It is not obtained by birth. So that's why we used to say your IQ is determined by your parental genes, but it is triggered by environment. But EQ is totally acquired trait. It is learned here. How to recognize our emotions. How do we know our emotions? So, and identifying the emotions of others, correcting their emotions if necessary, or changing our behavior according to their emotions when we are talking with them, and controlling our emotions, balancing our emotions. And so that is all important points. That is emotional intelligence. And another one is social coefficient. That is a part of actually emotional coefficient, but now people are telling social coefficient. How best you can behave, you can interact with other people in the community tells you about your social coefficient. So that, and the fourth one, today we are talking about adversity coefficient. Today we are all under terrible conditions. We are all under pressure. We are all under stressful conditions because of COVID-19 disease. So coronavirus causes COVID-19 disease in the human being. It has been spreading like anything from person to person in the community. It has been spreading from one place to another place. Now it has been spread in every corner of the globe. People are afraid of the disease. And so what to do? We are always thinking about disease. What will happen if that disease comes to me? Such type of thinking causes a fear complex, stressful condition, disappointment situation. And so how best you can cope up this stress condition, how best you can withstand against this odd, unfavorable situation comes under adversity coefficient. So one should live happily, they must have adversity coefficient. So this is a life where everything is not going on as you expect. It is a challenge. You have to face it. So you should acquire the trait. You should acquire the strength. You should mentally strong to face this type of undesirable, unwanted, unhappy situation. So why it has happened, we don't know. Somehow the disease broke in China way back in December 2019. That virus from there started spreading to every part of the world. Now the only thing is, by taking precautionary measures, we may minimize the spread of the disease. We can be protected by ourselves not to get the disease, such as by using masks or stay at home or maintaining physical distance at least minimum 1.5 meter, and sanitizing nose, sanitizing face, nose and hands, legs, etc. By observing this, by following this, by maintaining healthy conditions, by maintaining hygienic conditions, we can prevent the disease to some extent. But my dear young friends, young students, please remember, we are all human beings. We have enough strength to face any type of situation. After all, we are born to win any kind of situation. We are born to win the race only. We are born to be happy only. We are born to get the success only. That's why always remember, and we can get the vaccine within few days, and community will get the herd immunity definitely within few days. And meanwhile, until those conditions come, we take precautionary measures, we help the government authorities, we help ourselves for stopping the spread of the disease, and not only that, for not inviting the virus to us. So by doing all this, and you will be happy, and be happy, be healthy, be positive. Good night.